Ayan guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung ating mga pananim dito sa paligid ng bahay namin. Ayan, nagluluntian pa rin. Ayan, lagi itong dinidiligan ni Lola pag araw, pag sa umaga, tapos pag gabi. Ayan, ako na naman yung nagdidilig. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Green na green pa rin yung halaman namin dito sa paligid. Pero yung yung damo, ayan, na na.
Hi guys! Today
Na
is
brown
Ate.
na. Charang! Dito na si Lola. Galing, nagsimba si Lola. Oy, Sofia, mahagbong ka lang. You're not a monkey. Do not climb. Wala. Hi, Lola.
Hi ma!
Uy, nangayo di gasa siyang yang.
Lawa na, ano ka na sa una? Hi la!
Galing simba. Uy, ayan si Blowy, oh.
Gasa.
Ning tagbo si Blowy. Ning tagbo si Blowy ni Lola. Naanad kasi ni si Blowy nga na ay ay pasalubong.
Ako gasa hingkat kasang paa. Wala pa kay luto malang kay ito.
Ay! Blow! Beady buddy. We're in our backyard and I found it. My baby flower. He's always for a flower. My baby
Flower of
flower.
angit-ngit. That's angit-ngit.
Yeah,
It's
look at here.
it's a herbal.
Look at here. He has another baby now. He has already had a this. What is this?
Angit-ngit also.
And so we're trying my best and my cute little plant named Ngit Ngit.
Angit-ngit.
Ngit Ngit. So I always see this and I am schooling, so I'm gonna see this tomorrow because it has so many allergic, so I'm gonna plant it tomorrow.
Tambal na siya lang og di ka kaihi.
Oh, I always see it.
Kung di ka kaihi, mag UTI ka, pwede na siya itambal imnon gamunog tea. Just like a tea.
Ew, I don't like it. This is our plant flower. This is from my Lola Lorencia and the Obay. Here's my flow. So this is my mommy's favorite bulaklak. This is bumbil.
Yes, that's bumbil.
Mommy's favorite bulaklak. So here's our lemon.
Nadaot nag lemon.
Today is the night sky. Look at the eye of the sky.
Landag pa man, dili pa man siya night
My
time.
mommy's a laundry, so all the time, no faucets, no electricity, and so today has electricity. So my dog is right there.
What electricity? Okay, si Blowy. Ngayon lang kasi ako nakapaglaba kasi ngayon lang may tubig. So ayan, medyo marami-rami yung aking nalabhan. Ayan, meron pa doon sa palanggana. So si Sofia tsaka si Blowy.
Wala na kaspa.
Wala may good. Wa man goy kaspa ng dogi lang. Kuha na siya kuto.
Wala nang kuto guys, oh. Wala na nga. Bakit wala na?
Niligo kasi yan ni Papa kanina. So ayan, medyo dami-dami rin yung aking nalabhan guys. Thank you kasi may may tubig pero hindi pa masyadong malakas. At least may tubig na rin. Sana tuloy-tuloy na yung natin, tubig. Kasi nung ilang araw na, mga ilang weeks na siguro, hindi araw, mga 2 weeks na siguro na madaling araw na nag-aagas yung tubig namin. So ayun, ngayon Buti na lang may agas pero medyo ano lang, hindi siya masyadong malakas nga. Pero at least nagtatubig tayo ngayon kaya nakapaglabas si Nalin.
So, mommy said he always no have electricity in our home. So we don't have water today, and we have a water this year. So first time we have a water, and we don't have electricity yesterday. You know?
Yesterday. Yesterday? Yes. Yesterday wala tay tubig.
Daddy, it's work and the barangay because Ninong Edie, it's right there waiting for Dada. That's it. So always subscribe and follow.
God bless.
Subscribe.
God bless everyone.
God bless, guys. God bless. I love you. Subscribe. Mommy T. Hi, Mommy Jane. How are you there? How are you doing? So I miss you all the time. So please come here because I didn't see you all the time. You're there in America. So we're here in the Philippines. So you're not here. Please come on. Bye bye.